This pasta recipe is a must try for everyone. This is very easy, direct, super affordable. You don't need to break your bank before you enjoy what they call 5-star recipe. This one is super easy. You can make your family happy with this. Just give it a try. Don't let me talk much. Let's get it started. Lovely, so you can see the pasta I'll be using. You can get this at your supermarket. Just look at it. It is super affordable and I'm telling you, you are going to love this. Let me open it and show it properly to you. You can see it. You can see the shape. It looks like oyster, right? So that's what we are using today. You just need to boil some water. I boiled about 2 liters of water and I'm just going to pour it into the water. The water is boiled. Please don't forget, this is supposed to be cooked for around 8 to 10 minutes, but I'm just going to boil this for about 5 minutes. I added salt and oil into it. All right, so I stir it together and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. That is it. Now I poured it in a sieve and I poured some cold water on it to stop it from cooking. All right, look at it now. It is now soft but not done, so I will keep this aside for later use. What I have here is fresh cheese. Feel free to use any other products from fresh cheese. So I pour that in a bowl, and what I have here is fried onion and garlic. I fried it in olive oil. All right, and I added some little seasoning and salt into it. So I'm just going to mix it together with this fresh cheese and I'm going to keep it aside for later use. In that very pan, pour some vegetable oil or olive oil, add tomato puree into it, add black pepper, garlic, oregano, seasoning, salt, and add any herbs you are used to. Fry for about 10 to 7 minutes. In a pan, pour some of the tomato sauce, spread it well. Now get your cheese mixture and the pasta. Fill it with the cheese mixture. Just teaspoonful is enough, and then place it in that your glass that you have spread some tomato sauce on it. That's what we have. Now pour the rest of the tomato sauce on it and heat up your oven up to 180 centigrade while you're doing this. You need some cheese for topping. I'm using Gouda. Now place it in oven for 30 minutes. Tra-la-la! I present to you the most delicious pasta recipe. This is a must try for everyone. If you love kids, prepare this for them. They will be happy. For your partner, please try this. It will love you more. And for yourself, you are going to thank yourself for preparing this for yourself. Don't just watch this. Remember to share. Remember to give me a thumbs up. God bless you. Bye-bye.